guys, so tonight I am staying at an Airbnb in Portland called the Sneakaway. It's super cute, so I wanted to show you guys some clips of the space so you can see what it looks like. Right now I'm just here with Rocio because we wanted to take advantage and get like some cute photos here, but I'm gonna come back later with Schyler to actually like enjoy the B&B. So I'll go ahead and show you guys some clips. We've got some coffee brewing and that should be done in a second. I can't even put it in my mouth.
Who are we listening to?
Elton John?
Oh my gosh, it's Billy Joel.
Oh! I guess that makes up sometimes.
The loser. Not a true fan.
Missing someone, love with all your heart. Missing someone, love with heart.
Hey guys, so I wanted to give you a little tour of the Airbnb studio apartment that we stayed at last night. We were actually heading out this morning, but I wanted to give you guys a tour while the lighting was really good in here. And I'm sorry about the noise. There's some construction going on right now, and it was actually going on yesterday too, so I guess it's just kind of unavoidable. So bear with me on that. So this way we have the bathtub. And I actually just took a bath this morning, so I'm trying to get the bubbles out of it right now. But if we keep going this way, there's a really nice stand-up shower over here. I love the marble tile in here. So this is like the little toilet room area, and there's actually a pocket door right here, which we didn't know about at first, but it's very convenient. And then over here we have the sink area. There's no mirror here, so I actually used the mirror in like the sitting area to do my makeup this morning. So if we keep going back this way, okay, so toilet room there, bathtub here, and then on this side we have a little sitting area with a really comfy couch, lots of records and a record player, which we definitely took advantage of yesterday. I also like this like mirror, which is turned on its side, so it's like lengthwise, which is cool. Kind of makes the room like look bigger. Okay, so then on the other side of the bathtub is the bedroom, and there's basically like a partition wall that separates the bedroom from the bathroom, or from the tub area. So the bed is basically on a platform that you step up to, which is kind of nice because it separates it from the other main living areas. And this was like a really super comfy big bed, which was super nice last night. Got lots of natural light here. And then as you step down from the bed area, we walk over here to the island, which I really love. We've got some nice chairs here, and we sat here and had coffee this morning and dinner last night. I also really love the rugs throughout the studio. They all kind of have like similar patterns with the same colors, which is really nice because it kind of ties the area together. And same with the pillows. They have like these really cool kind of like ethnic-y pillows on the bed area that match the ones on the couch area as well. Okay, so walking past the island, we walk into the kitchen area, and this is basically like my dream kitchen. Actually, the whole studio is basically like my dream apartment. I really like the open shelves, and I love like the white cabinetry, the gray countertops. Super cute. It's like the perfect mix of vintage yet modern. And over here we have a little coffee maker, which we've had coffee several times now. I made us like a super yummy dinner last night on this range top, and then we've got a really nice island hood above here. So it was really nice for cooking, and it's just like a super nice kitchen to be in. Okay, so now we are back at the entry, so that concludes our little tour. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys are interested in staying at the Sneakaway, you can look up the Sneakaway on Airbnb, or you can just check out their Instagram and contact them through there, and the Instagram is just the Sneakaway. So I'm going to be including some clips here and there of the rest of our stay here, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video.